Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel we sometimes talk about lifestyle, DIY, fashion, budgeting, and planning, like this video right here. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to be planning July 11th through July 17th. And the spread, I know I picked out is springish, but listen, this is what I had, and this is what we're using. I kind of want to use it up, so yeah, this is the spread I'm going to be using. Really cute spread. It says Eat, Pray, Bloom. A very springish, pretty spread. So I'm going to fast forward this part where I decorate the spread, and then I will come back and talk about what book we're going to be reading for this week. Okay, so this is the book that we're going to be reading. So I follow this lady on TikTok, and she started a book club, which I am, and we picked this book for our first book to read. And I want to say we meet, hold on, let me go into the app because she created an app for all of us. Geneva, and I can tell you what day we meet on. I want to say like the end of the month, like July something. So like this right here is the book club. It's called Sexy Book Club. Book club. So yeah, we meet at the end of the month. So this is our book for the month of July, and then we're gonna meet and talk about it. So it's called You Made a Fool of Death with Your Beauty, and it's a, so I'm excited for this book. I'm gonna place it here. And I'm not even gonna say her name because I don't even know how to pronounce who it's by, but I'm gonna bring it closer to the screen. So this is who it's by. So again, we're gonna do the rating system. I'm gonna put it right here. We do 10 out. And then I'm gonna put just some, I'm gonna put like, let's see how many pages this is. So pages, there is 278. So I'm gonna set the book to the side, and then we're gonna move on. So next in my planner is going to be my like crafts hobby classes. I'm gonna fast forward this part. I'm just gonna put the dates in here, and then I do have a craft that I want to get to this week. So I'm gonna fast forward this, and then we'll come back to what craft I'm gonna be doing. So this week, I want to say either Monday or Wednesday. I want to do, probably Wednesday, most likely it's going to be Wednesday, a arts and crafts of my daughter's invitations. So I started it kind of on Canva, and I will like show you guys kind of like what I bought on Etsy. So let me just go to Etsy real fast. Okay, so this is what I currently bought. So let me just like zoom in. It's from Sunflower Day Love. I actually bought both of them. One is a gold girl in a dress, and the other one is a blue dress. So this right here is the clip art, and I want to use it to like make the invitations. So it comes with these like pretty little like floral flowers to go with it. Hold on, let me see if I can. There we go. See if I can focus in on it. So like it comes with these like pretty floral flowers like here, and then just like it's gold. So that's what my envision is for the art. So I want to put on here on the 13th. This week was canceled. I'm just gonna use this right here. So for the 13th, my supplies, I'm gonna need I don't need much. I just need cardstock. I need cardstock. I need shimmer paper or glitter paper. I'm not too sure yet. The PMG or the clip art design of both of those, the floral, and then just like the wording that I need to get down. So I'm gonna put it here. Make invitations. And then create a space for questions about party. Okay, perfect. So that is the only craft that I have for this week. So let's move on to the last section, which is my meditation part. You guys, honestly, I have another section in here and what's gonna be the scrapbooking, but I'm just gonna buy like the rings and just put this in another book, like in another scrapbooking. I'm actually gonna put it in another planner book on its own. So I'm gonna skip the scrapbooking part of it and then go to my meditation or all about me. I am going to decorate this part right here, so I'm going to fast forward it. So I'll come back and just tell you what my quote is for the day or my writing prompt is. Perfect. Okay, so that's gonna be my 5-minute writing style. And then on this side, I'm gonna be doing like reflection, how I feel on that week or that day. Just anything like that that comes to my mind about my health, my safety, my anything that comes to my mind and that I feel that I need to write it down. I'm gonna put on this side. So if you guys like videos like this, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel down below. And until next time, bye guys.